Welcome back to Autoscope. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Actros Motorhome STX is the pinnacle of performance and luxury on wheels. Outside appearance, it radiates strength and luxury with its aerodynamic yet daring appearance. Construction, making use of lightweight, robust materials such sandwich panels with good insulation, aluminum, and fiberglass composite. External storage. The STX's large underseat storage area, commonly known as a garage, is one of its best features. Large automated awning built-in, sophisticated external LED lighting, including headlights that may be adjusted, 360-degree video for effortless mobility when parked. The motorhome is stabilized by an automatic hydraulic leveling system. Interior, living room lounge, a large space featuring comfortable couches, a dining table that can be expanded, and a built-in entertainment system, galleries, built-in coffee maker, dishwasher, full-size refrigerator, freezer, convection oven, microwave, and induction cooktop. Usually found toward the back, the master bedroom features a king-size bed and a high-quality mattress. The newest MBUX infotainment system and cozy pilot seats will improve the cockpit space. Engine, a Mercedes-Benz Euro 6/7 diesel engine with exceptional efficiency and power is anticipated to power the vehicle. We can anticipate a remarkable power range from the OM471 or OM473 or their successors. Drivetrain, depending on the needs for customization. It can be 4x2, 6x2, or even 6x4 for additional stability or light off-road capability, and effective multi-zone HVAC heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system featuring hydronic floor heating, central air conditioning, and superior ventilation. Power system, very advanced. For optimal power independence, it will incorporate rooftop solar panels, a high-power inverter, an automated diesel generator, and a large-capacity lithium-ion battery. Water system, instant water heater, water filtration system.